Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Homesteading of the Grid. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make my pumpkin bread. It's so easy and so delicious. So let's start. First, I have 3 cups of flour and I have 4 eggs mixed well. Next is I put 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. There you go. And 3 cups of sugar. And 1 cup of oil. 2/3 cup of water. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And let's mix well. Okay, we're done to mix all our ingredients. And by the way guys, while I'm preparing all this pumpkin bread, I've already preheated my oven for 350 degrees. And then when it's time to stick it in, I'm gonna lower it down to 325 and bake it for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. So let's spray our, and I have a small what you call this, bread pan, and then this is at least 6 to 7 for a small bread pan. Spray it and let's pour. Just put halfway of the bread pan. Oops. Yay, it's perfect. 7 pan for small size. I think I need spoon. Okay, it's ready to bake. Let's bake.
It's our favorite part, taste test time, huh?
Hey, I want to try first.
You want to try it first? Okay, I'm just going to grab one here. These have been cooling for about half an hour, and look how easily they come out. See that? And that wasn't a setup. Pick one at random, buddy. Point at one. This one? Okay. See? My wife bakes them perfectly. They're all the same color. She never, and this is impressive because she just started baking like 2 years ago when she came to the U.S.
Oh, that's
Okay. We might not be doing all that, but we washed our hands.
Yep.
Okay, buddy, so did you say that you want to try it first?
Yes.
You want me to just cut you off a whole slice?
Shut
Or you want to just,
the skinny.
you want me to just take a piece out of this one?
I want this.
You want that whole slice? Okay, take it there.
That's good.
Is that good?
It tastes like pumpkin with bread.
Tastes like pumpkin with bread.
Yes.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. So moist, isn't it?
I know it's so. It has so much texture.
Yeah, so much texture. It's not dry. It's perfectly moist.
Squishy.
So guys, once again, we hope you enjoyed another one of Dearly's cooking videos and Daniel's bows. Keep taking your bows while I give them some more info. A lot of you have been commenting we should make a cookbook and all these things. We're going to create a playlist on our YouTube channel. So it's going to be a playlist that contains all of Dearly's cooking videos. So that way the cookbook is already written and you get to watch it. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel, Homesteading Off the Grid, and we'll see you next time.